quality and training purposes. If you do not wish for this to occur, please advise your operator. For trip planning, timetables, ticketing information, to leave feedback and to report lost property, please visit transport.act.gov.au. If you are calling about a lost child or vulnerable person, please call the police on 000. For bus and light rail, press 1. For school services, press 1. To report an issue or to provide feedback, press 2. For timetable information or assistance with planning your trip, press 3. To report an issue or provide feedback on services, visit transport.act.gov.au. To report an issue or provide feedback on services, visit transport.act.gov.au.
Welcome back to Canberra. It's Michael.
Hi Michael, how are you?
Very good, thank you. How can I help?
Good. I need to go to Black Monday School in O'Connell on Saturday. We have to be there on Saturday morning at about 11 a.m. please.
Okay, now, it's a really bad line, and I heard 11 a.m., but I missed everything else.
Going to Black Mountain School on Saturday morning. We have to be there on Saturday at about 11 a.m. on Saturday, please.
Okay, and where are you catching it? Where are you taking off from?
From City Bus Station.
From where?
City Bus Station.
Okay, so you're going to be at the interchange there, wanting to go to Black Mountain School at about 11 o'clock on Saturday.
Yep, that's right, yes.
Okay, just 1 second.
Need to go try it. Just 1 second here. Yep, just 1 second here. Yep, just 1 second. Yep, just 1 second. Okay, sure. Just 1 second. Upstairs. I think no bus coming to me. Is the bus interchange? I'm just going to go bus interchange. I'm just going to put that over. One more. I'm just going to put that. One more. So it's there. Yeah, it's about to go. What was it saying? So it's really bad line here. So it's really bad line outside. So it's really bad line outside. Just come on. Yeah, I have to go to taxi. I'm going to. Yes? Yes, the guys. Just find the bus timetable. Just find the GPS. Okay, one more GPS. Yes, that's not what I think. That's the other one, bro. I'm honey, sure. Yes, alright, yes? Yes, that's the bus timetable it comes from. Come on, man, what up like a timetable? Yes, yeah, press. It's the bus. Yes, alright. Come on, man, watch that. It's very what? Silly, man. I'm gonna come in. I'm just making YouTube videos. I'm like a there's timetable from City to O'Connell. Can you please get out? I'm making YouTube videos for you, please. I'm making YouTube videos. Yeah, thanks, mom. No, it's okay. I'm making YouTube videos. This silly man put me on hold, so yeah, we might have hang up then.